Welding engineer versus welding inspector. A welding engineer designs, develops and implements welding processes and procedures. On the other hand, a welding inspector is responsible for inspecting welded joints and ensuring that they meet industry standards and specifications. A welding engineer must have a thorough understanding of materials, welding processes, and safety procedures. They may also be involved in research and development of new welding technologies, materials, and techniques. A welding inspector, on the other hand, must have a keen eye for detail and a thorough understanding of welding standards and inspection techniques. They are responsible for ensuring that welded joints meet quality standards and that the welding work is performed safely. Both roles are important in the welding industry, and they work together to ensure that welding operations are safe, efficient, and meet industry standards. Thanks for watching and subscribe to our channel to know more information related to welding technology.